Okay, go ahead there, buddy.
It's at least as old as a 1923, or it might be older. Fairbanks Morse, 1.5 horsepower. The Fairbanks Morse compressor puts air into the 2 tanks, builds up pressure.
How much weight, how much pressure does it need?
160 pounds.
160 pounds of pressure.
Right.
Okay. Then what happens?
Then you position the flywheel of the big diesel at a certain point, and you light a blow torch at the top of the cylinder to heat a hot tube. When the tube and the cylinder head gets hot, you apply air to the top of the piston, and it's controlled airflow till you get your momentum of the flywheel up, and when you get enough momentum, you hit the fuel injection lever, and it runs.
Wow. So that torch acts like a glow plug in a diesel or something, like a similar
Correct.
thing.
288 pounds per square inch compression in that engine.
Wow.
14 by 30 piston.
A 14-inch diameter piston with a 30-inch stroke?
30-inch height of the piston.
Height.
17.5-inch stroke.
And that's rated at 100 horsepower.
Correct. And it is not atomized fuel injection, it's sport fuel injection. It's a low-pressure injection system.
So, what they use this motor for mostly there, George?
Anything that required belt power. This engine had a companion flange attached to the crankshaft, which in turn was attached to a companion flange on a 16-foot line shaft, and that run a 3-story grist mill, run all the machinery in the grist mill.
Wow. So you're going to fire this thing up in a few minutes, huh?
In a few minutes, as soon as my air pressure comes up and I get the torch.
As soon as you get her up to 160 pounds and light that torch and heat that up, and then she's ready to roll.
She's ready to roll. Everything's already pre-checked.
All right, we're going to re-record that when you fire that baby up then, okay?
Very good.